अभवन् सन्ति चेदानीं भिषजो बहवो भुवि हित्वा विषमभैषज्यं मार्गं प्राकृतमाश्रिताः. There have been, and even now there are, medicos, doctors from other systems in the world who have given up their practice from other systems and taken to this path of nature's cure. They have actually been the initiators of this natural health science because their consciousness have been pricking them that they have been following a wrong path and they have been hindering people's health. So they have come out in the open and declared that nature's path is the only true path, and they have contributed immensely to the progress of natural health science. Thank you.